The Chinese mitten crab, also known as the Eoscheer sinensis, originated in mainland and coastal China along the Yellow Sea. This crab goes through four main life stages: the zoe stage that takes place in marine waters in late winter, the juvenile stage that takes place in brackish waters during spring and summer, the subadult stage that takes place on land and in fresh water during late summer, and the spawning stage that occurs in marine water during fall. Females can carry from 250,000 to 1 million eggs each spawning season, and it only takes about 1 to 2 years to reach sexual maturity. This crab's legs are over twice as long as the carapace, which is usually about 3 inches wide. They are light brown in color, and they get their name because of their mitten-like hairy claws that are found on larger juveniles and adults. The Chinese mitten crab was transferred accidentally in the early 1900s from China into Germany, where it spread into northern European rivers and estuaries. In 1992, these crabs were found in the San Francisco estuary by shrimp trawlers. Since then, they have been found in surrounding bodies of water, including the San Francisco Bay. They were transported either intentionally for commercial fisheries or accidentally via ballast water. The Chinese mitten crab can be considered invasive due to its severe impact on the habitat and the organisms within the habitat in which it was introduced. This crab burrows deeply into the banks of coastal areas and levees for shelter. This activity accelerates erosion of coastal beaches, disrupting the habitat for other organisms. They are voracious eaters, so it makes it difficult for other organisms to eat their usual diet. This alters the balance of the ecosystem. The crabs end up suffocating fish in endangered fish salvage operations by clogging their holding tanks. The largest economic impact from these crabs is from the damage done to commercial fishing nets and other gear. The U.S. government attempts to control this species by making it illegal to possess or transport the Chinese mitten crabs in California and illegal to import them without a permit. All ships are required to change ballast water in open ocean before arriving in the U.S. ports. These rules make it less possible for the Chinese mitten crabs to spread throughout California.